Have you ever thought that our sun is like a giant nightlight? It warms our room called Earth. But one day, its battery will start to run out. It won't just turn off, but it will start to act a little strange. Because the battery is almost empty, the sun throws a tantrum. It starts to swell, getting bigger and turning a fiery red. It gets so hungry that it starts swallowing the planets nearby. Our Earth will feel very hot, like water in a boiling pot. It's not because the sun is mean. It's just too old and tired to hold itself together. Our blue sky will turn orange forever. Finally, it will throw away its red coat and turn into a calm, tiny white star. This nightlight will slowly fade away. Leaving us in peaceful darkness. Is this the end? Or the start of a new story?